Hello everyone, I'm all Thai in the United States. I would like to tell you my first experience using towel pillow. I have seen many people travel on the plane carry this one, hang on their backpacks, but I thought, why they carry this pillow? Is kind of make uncomfortable traveling because of the extra item. And one day I would like to get this for my husband, but he doesn't use it. He said it make him too hot, maybe because of his neck is bigger than mine. We just came back from a road trip to my mother-in-law in North Dakota, and I used it along the way in the car. I love it very much. It's very useful, and I think about when I travel on the plane next time, I will carry it. It is okay to have an extra item that useful, and I love using it with long distance like travel to Thailand. Whoever used this a while ago, so how do you like it? Please tell me. Have a great day. Bye.